Alright guys, so I have this ZTE phone that is stuck at the logo from the previous video, and I will try to fix it in this one. So let's keep things short. You will need to have the battery charged or keep it for charge for at least 1 or 2 hours. And then first thing I will try is a hard reset or a master reset. So basically I need to shut down the phone. For that I will take out the battery and put it back in. And on other phones I have seen the power button and volume down button, but in my case it's the volume up button and the power button. So keeping them pressed together, we can release, and it should enter a special menu where everything is Chinese, I believe. So from what I have seen online, I should choose the last one, this one, and then the power button, and now it should reset, I think, I hope, and it seems to do so. So I will let this do its thing, and I'll be back after. So as you have seen, the phone has resetted, restarted, and it's still stuck at the logo. So I'll have to search some software updates or anything in order to make this work. I'll also let the phone like this for maybe, I don't know, 5 minutes. Maybe it works, maybe it doesn't, maybe it needs more time to start up after a master reset. I don't know. I will leave it for 5 more minutes. If nothing happens, I will try finding some software that I can install on this device. Alright, so it's been like 15 minutes and it's still at the logo. And it's getting warmer. So I'm gonna take out the battery and leave it like this until I find a solution. Alright, so here is the site with the software. I'll have a link in the description. So you will need to click here to get the link for the downloading, and then after the download is complete, you will have this archive here, which we will need to unpack, and we'll have the folder here which contains the firmware, the tool, the driver needed, and I will have the links to the tutorials that you can follow. So for example, from here you can click follow tutorial, and it will basically explain to you everything you need to know on how to do all of these things. So this is quite explicit and you find a lot of help, so I will not show you this. But what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna open the tool, and I should click here, or yeah, and then I should choose what I need. So from here, the folder, the firmware, and choose the first one, and it should load the firmware into the software, and it's loading. I did not notice that thing there. Okay, it is loaded here. Now I should connect my phone, and I will do just that. Right, so I already have a problem. The phone should be powered off in order to work. So it is powered off now. If I connect it, you can see the Windows connecting it, and it will power on, and the Windows disconnects it, and it's not good. So I have to see what I can do about this thing, because I cannot resolve it if the phone keeps powering up. And on here, if I try pushing the button here, it will start downloading but stop after the phone powers on and disconnects it from the PC. So I'll have to find a solution. Alright guys, so I have found a way on how to connect this phone. So you first connect it, and it will power on. that was the phone connecting, and that was the phone disconnected. Now you press and hold the power and volume down button until the phone turns off. Now it's connected and we can press to run the program. As you can see, it is loading all kinds of stuff. And meanwhile the phone is still shut down with the red LED from charging turned on. So let's wait for this to end. Okay, so it appears to be a success. It took around 300 seconds to do this. And now let's turn our attention to the phone, which I will disconnect and try powering it up. And nothing happens. So let's take out the battery. Take out the battery, put it back in, and let's see if it will power up. I will put the cover back later. And it does. Amazing. I'm quite happy with this. Let's put the cover back on. And let's see what happens. I suppose that it's the first time powering up with the new software, so it is going to take some time. So I will leave it like this until it powers on. Alright, so after some time we have reached the welcome screen, and now I can finish setting up this phone, and that's what I will do. And we are done. The phone is functional. So the reinitialization of software was a success. And hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial, learned something, and see you next time.